Okay, next kita ada permintaan untuk pair EA daripada Tuan Bonnie.
Okay, EA. Okay, boleh tengok skrin saya ke kejap
Belum.
Belum Mana share screen. Okay, boleh nampak skrin saya?
Belum. Okay dah.
Okay, EA, I think from this last year after the COVID, this drop has been quite drastic, and then since then, I think generally we already talked about it, this will be definitely a strong support around 153 ataupun somewhere dekat 156. Okay, so this is kind of expected because this move was quite fast stretch lah. Okay, so having said that, so bila kita pergi dekat daily time frame, this is where I think about a month ago ataupun about 3-4 weeks ago we mentioned it, we are expecting probably a sideway dekat sini ataupun slowly kind of a triangle pattern. So this is kind of moving into that. Okay, so if you look at it as a sideway, then it's a sideway. Kalau you look into like a pennant ataupun triangle, then it will. So with that, I think I'm expecting this will probably bit of a getting rejected. Okay, a bit minor. Sebab we are expecting euro to weaken just slightly. Okay, but euro still probably a bit stronger. Either they pergi test this level, which is around 162 ataupun close to about 163. Okay, then only drop again to move somewhere ke sini, which is around, let's say, anywhere between 158 atau 159. That means another 200 pips kind of thing. Then probably move up. Okay, because I think I mentioned it on a bigger time frame, somewhere probably we might see some kind of sideway ataupun ranging, ataupun if you take on the slightly smaller scale, okay, like this with a kind of a triangle pattern, then it might come down. So either they break out ke sini ataupun break out ke atas. At this point we don't know, okay, but I'm still expecting at least still orang kata retracement ataupun kind of a pullback on this pair, because EU, yes, now is a bit strong, but generally over a longer period of time, this is still weak. AU at this point is very, very weak, okay, but we are expecting AU to pick up their strength. So with both are slightly on equally weak ataupun equally strong, the only thing can happen is sideway range. Okay, of course, the sideway range can go up to close to about 150 to 300 pips on this range. Okay, so it's a quite big move because it's a cross pair. Okay, so at this point I cannot say anything. If you want to sell, probably sell from somewhere ke sini. If you want to buy, probably buy from sini, because I don't think they can break out and then continue like this, because euro still not so strong, like they're going to increase interest rate very fast compared to Aussie ataupun ni. Okay, and at this point both are almost equally strong ataupun equally weak. Okay, so the only thing I can see at this point is a sideway ranging ataupun kind of bila sampai ke resistance, then reject, bila sampai ke support, reject, sampai ke resistance, reject until they compress a bit. Okay, somewhere ke sini, either they compress ke sini untuk breakout ataupun dia ke atas then breakout. Okay, so I'm expecting this move for maybe another 1 month plus. Okay, even kalau dia breakout kat sini pun, I'm expecting definitely there will be a rejection kat sini. So that's why I keep saying it. I'm still expecting this rectangle ataupun this sideway range for some time. Okay, dari bulan 9, if I take from bulan 9, probably about 6 months, maybe up to about March, at least about another 2 months. Okay, Moon?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk pair Euro AUD